Alright y'all, we're trying to catch us some bluefish out here on the beach. So this is just some croaker that I caught earlier. We're going to cut it up into little pieces about this size. We got some little circle hooks here, nothing crazy, just about that size. Make sure that you can see the tip of the hook. Because if the tip of the hook is buried in the bait, then you won't catch your fish. We'll cast it out.
That means that there are fish out there. This is live action of a fish biting. Let's see what's on the hook. Oh yeah.